as of now.
Let's go on the record, please. Good morning. We should all be here for the hearing notice in the application of Rocky Mountain Power for approval of its amendment to a power purchase agreement between PacifiCorp and Tesoro Refining and Marketing Company. That's Commission Docket number 21-035-68. My name is Mike Cameron. I'm the Commission's designated presiding officer. Let's go ahead and take appearances, please, beginning with Rocky Mountain Power.
Good morning. This is Emily Wegener on behalf of Rocky Mountain Power, and I have with me our witness today, Esteban Lara.
Good day. The email.
And for the Division of Public Utilities.
Good morning, Justin Jetta with the Utah Attorney General's Office, representing the Utah Division of Public Utilities. And joining me today will be the division witness, Jeff Einfeld.
Okay.
All right, are there any other parties that would like to state their appearance? Okay, Ms. Wegener, please go ahead and call your first witness.
The company calls Esteban Lara.
Mr. Lara, do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Lara. Can you please state and spell your name for the record?
Hi, good morning. Yes, my name is Esteban Lara, EstebanLara.
Mr. Lara, what's your position with Rocky Mountain Power?
I am the Business Development and Renewable Program Director.
Were you involved in the negotiation of the Second Amendment to non-firm power purchase agreement between the company and Tesoro Refining and Marketing Company that was submitted to the Commission for approval on December 17th, 2021?
Yes, I was.
Can you please provide a summary of that contract?
Yes. I present today for Commission approval the Second Amendment to the Qualifying Facility Non-Firm Power Purchase Agreement between Tesoro Refining and Marketing and PacifiCorp. The amendment modifies the original agreement, which was approved by the Commission in docket number 19-035-38 on December 18, 2019, and subsequently amended and approved in docket number 20-035-42 on December 17, 2020. The amendment provides for a 12-month extension of the agreement for the sale of energy to PacifiCorp by Tesoro. The energy, up to 25 megawatts, will be generated by a gas-fired cogeneration facility located in Salt Lake City, Utah, owned and operated by Tesoro. The original agreement had a term of 12 months from January 1, 2020 through December 31, 2020. The original agreement was subsequently extended for 12 months as approved in docket number 035-42. The purchase price for the extension period, calendar year 2022, as set forth in the amendment, were calculated using the methodology approved by the Commission in docket number 03-035-14. According to the terms of the 2020 protocol approved by the Commission on April 15, 2020, in docket number 19-035-42, cost of the qualifying facility power purchase agreement will be allocated in accordance with section 4.2.2 of the 2020 protocol. The company filed the PPA extension amendment for approval on December 17, 2021. In comments filed on January 18, 2022, the Division of Public Utilities stated their belief that the Second Amendment to the non-firm PPA complied with the Commission's guidelines and recommended approval. In their comments, the Division also reiterated their two recommendations that the company continue to file the quarterly hourly purchase power reports and future filing continue to include grid outputs and Excel spreadsheets supporting the price and line loss calculations. The company agrees to these two recommendations. The agreement is compliant with relevant commission orders and with Utah Schedule 38 and shall be found to be in the public interest. The company believes the PPA extension amendment before the commission for approval has not had any issues raised by parties in this docket and recommends the commission approve the agreement. This concludes my statement.
Thank you. I have no further questions for this witness, and he is available for cross-examination and questions from the hearing officer.
Mr. Jetter?
Thank you. The division would, I'm sorry. I have no questions.
Thank you, and I have none. Thank you, Mr. Lahr.
Thank you.
Any other witnesses, Ms. Wegner?
No, thank you.
All right. Mr. Jetter, please call your witness.
Thank you. I was trying to jump ahead earlier. The division would like to call and have sworn in Jeff Einfeld.
Mr. Einfeld, do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Einfeld, would you please state your name and occupation for the record?
My name is Jeffrey Einfeld. I am employed by the Division of Public Utilities as a utility technical consultant. My address is 160 East 300 South, Salt Lake City, Utah. I hope I got that right.
I think so. Have you had an opportunity to review the application, the contract and avoided cost pricing for the contract extension requested by the commission in this docket?
Yes, I have.
Excuse me. I was requested by the company.
Yes.
Rocky Mountain Power. And did you create and cause to be filed with the commission comments from the Division of Public Utilities dated January 18th, 2022?
Yes.
Does your recommendation in those comments remain the position of the division in this docket?
Yes, it does.
And have you prepared a brief summary of your recommendation?
I have.
Please go ahead.
Okay, good morning. The division recommends the commission approve this second amendment to the non-firm power purchase agreement between PacifiCorp and Tesoro Refining and Marketing Company in regards to its natural gas cogeneration facility associated with its Salt Lake City refinery, the subject of docket number 21-035-68. The division finds the agreement is similar to contracts of prior years and the First Amendment from last year and complies with commission guidelines established in prior orders. The division finds the contract to be just, reasonable, and in the public interest. This concludes my comments.
Extension is different from the one.
Thank you.
that you-
And I have no further questions from Mr. Einfeld. He's available for
Is this one that
cross-examination
starts
or
with G?
questions from the hearing officer.
Ms. Wegner?
No questions. Thank you.
Should I change the?
I have none. Thank you, Mr. Einfeld.
Thanks.
Anything else, Mr. Jetter?
Nothing further from the division.
I
Thank
can't
you.
hear the
All right.
first one.
Is there anything further from any party before we adjourn?
The title of the Google Meet.
All right. Hearing nothing, everyone have a wonderful day. We're adjourned.
Thank you.
He's adjourned.